Hello, hello. All right, release 3.22. It's been out for a minute, but I'm just going to do an update anyway so that there's some continuity, and you can check through the releases if you wanted to on my channel. So I've just done a video on release 3.22 handwriting search. This is incredible. I mean, this is incredible. Now, it says, I am currently a Connect subscriber, so this is interesting. I sometimes have Connect and sometimes I don't. And so this says, exclusive to Connect subscribers, this feature will gradually be rolled out over the next few weeks. Search the content of both handwritten type notes, make it easier than ever to find exactly what you're looking for. Handwriting search in beta analyzes your handwriting in notes as they're created, so you can easily search them later. So it might initially take some time to go through all your text and make it searchable. Well, this is the update everyone's been waiting for. So this is the reMarkable 2 right here. And let's get started. Handwriting search. Wow. Handwriting search. See search results that match all your notes, both handwriting or typed, digital text and scribbles. All right, I just want to search for something. Okay, so this says 90 minutes. Let's hop out of there. I want to search for 90 minutes. Let's see. 90. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Well done, reMarkable. Cool, got that, no worries. Let's just keep looking. Whoops, come down. Movable toolbar. Your toolbar, I'm just discovering this the first time with you guys, so let's do this. Your toolbar can now move to new positions to suit your workflow. All you need to do is hold the hide toolbar button. Hang on. Hold the hide toolbar button with your marker or finger and drag it towards one of the other edges of the screen. So on your MacBook or on your laptop, on your MacBook, you can move your toolbar around through an options button. Here it's saying that you can drag it towards one of the other edges. So there's this edge or there's that edge. So that's cool. We'll go and do that now. Actually, let's go back. Let's go into, I've been doing a lot of gardening lately, so this is my, this is just my gardening planner. Okay, so apparently when you grab, okay, so the hide toolbar button is actually this one here. So you should be able to drag it with your pencil. So let me just get it up here so that you can see. If I get that. Ah, look at that. It moved. How cool. Now you should be able to drag it back. Whoops, sorry. I'm trying to look at my screen and focus on this at the same time. So I'm going to drag this back up to here. You can actually see that black line. Did you see that black line? It's showing you that it's actually moving. So that is really cool. That is really cool. Don't you love my garden planner? I love it. It's so pretty in colour. You can see it in colour on the Paper Pro, or you can use it on your iPad, on GoodNotes or any PDF, and it's all in colour and it's all hyperlinked. It's beautiful. Anyway, I don't want to get distracted. So there you go. That's the hide toolbar button. And so you can use that to drag it up and down. All right, let's hop out of that. Let's hop out. And let us go back to here. And back to the release notes. Here we go. So movable toolbar, love that. Good job. New formatting options. All right. Extra levels of indentation have been added for checkboxes. So before you only had one level, I'm pretty sure. Numbered lists are new too. So numbered lists here, you can see that. Let me show you. numbered lists. There they are. Oh, let's get that in focus. These changes have been implemented for the on-screen keyboard on your paper tablet for Typefolio and the apps. All right. All lists can now be indented using the on-screen keyboard as well. Just tap on the bullet after adding it to create an indent. Excuse me. In other improvements, you may notice some new design touches on the icons in your toolbar and elsewhere throughout the user interface. All right, so we're just going to go and have a look at if I just create a notebook and we'll just accept all the defaults. That's fine. You can see, can you see the slightly enhanced icons? See how they're looking a little bit arty? That's what they're talking about. Anyway, when you press type and then you go add text and you say, so this here is new. You can see here how they're giving you the options. It used to show up along here with three little lines and you would go in, that would be the style bar, but they've obviously put the style bar now here. So if you want numbered, enter, see 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. If you want boxes. Now, there's no tab button. So that's interesting. How do we, and then if we wanted dot points, we could type dot, dot. But how do we go in? Please hold. Please hold. I'm just going to check the release notes. Extra levels of indentation have been added for checkboxes. See how that is indented? Numbered lists are new too. Yes, got that. These changes have been implemented for the on-screen keyboard on your paper tablet. For the on-screen keyboard. Okay, I have an on-screen keyboard for the Typefolio as well, if you have that, and the apps. So you know when you use it on your phone. All lists can now be indented using the on-screen keyboard as well. Just tap on the bullet after adding it. Just tap on the bullet after adding it to create an indent. All right, tap on the bullet. Here we go. Let's go back to, where is that document we just set up? There it is. So just say we're up, we've got to tap, open up the keyboard. We're up here, tap on the bullet. Where's the bullet? Surely we don't have to go into there. Nope, that's not it. Oh. So that's pretty standard. When you're in an automatically numbering list, if you press return twice, it'll cancel it out. That's pretty standard, but that's not. We want it to indent again, right? Tap on the bullet. Is it? No, that changed it from one to another. So, and you can do that. This is a style set. You can change the style setting at any time. Tap on the bullet. We want it to be a box, tapping, box. Ah, that's it. You tap it again and then you type hello, if you can spell it right. Not like me. And now I wonder what happened if we tapped it again. Let's go down. So, and it's going to copy the style from the previous line, or we call it paragraph marker, but whatever. If we press it again now, it goes back. So it's going 2, it isn't going 3, just so you know. And let's see if this one works down here. When we press return, it's going to copy the previous setting. And if we press it again, yeah, oh, it goes in and then it gives you a hyphen. Interesting. And then it'll keep that line and that formatting indentation as well. That's pretty cool. All right, I need to get a different charger cord and get my reMarkable one because that wasn't it, and charge my device because I've let it run down. Yeah, so how cool is that? So let's hop out of that document, go back to the release notes and finish up here. Release notes, that's it. Handwriting search now. It's clearly saying it's a Connect feature. So that's interesting. Exclusive to Connect subscribers. This feature will gradually be rolled out over the next few weeks. So I don't know if that means that it's never going to be available to you if you're not Connect. That's a little bit sad if it is, but we will see in the future, I guess. I am a Connect subscriber at the moment, but I was going to finish it shortly, so we will see. I might just keep it until I can sort of see what's going on. Movable toolbar, that's really cool, and the new indent in the formatting options. Lovely. Awesome. I'd love some love on the channel, and I will see you in the next one.